welcome back to my channel, and this is just a Merry Christmas video. I just want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hopefully this will go up on Christmas Day, because if it doesn't then it's a bit pointless. But no, I just thought I'd make a quick video. Sorry I haven't uploaded in the last week, just like explained a bit of a video that I wouldn't be uploading until the 30th, but that was a bit of change in schedule. I'm uploading before then, but I just had a bit of break just to have a bit, like, to try and make this year a bit more tolerable, like just have a little bit like fun with my family and stuff, and just like concentrate on work a bit. And then because it's obviously it's manic around this time, so yeah, that's the reason why I haven't made videos. So I just thought I'd make this video to say a Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope you have a lovely day. I know there's obviously issues with COVID, and especially in the UK there's tier 4 now, so that's pretty much affecting the south and southwest. Luckily enough here in Newcastle we're in tier 3, so I can still have my auntie round on Christmas Day. Unfortunately I'm not seeing my boyfriend. He's going to see his sister and with his dad, so we'll just see each other when we can. But no, I thought I would do a quick like reflection back on what I thought were good moments of 2020 apart from the COVID. As you know, I lost 7 stone, so that is massive achievement for myself, and I'm so proud of myself. So I lost 7 stone. Yeah, just now it's to either maintain it, lose a little bit more, and just keep it off. Like, I went to my boyfriend, I was like, please let we not have a baby just yet, because all my hard work will just go to like shit really. So I would so they're on hold at the moment, but we're currently saving for to move out in our own house. So hopefully in the new year, not in the new year, but like later on in 2021, I'll obviously have a new background, and then I can make more vloggy style videos, because then I can be like a day in the life. And then because like a day in the life, my mum and dad didn't want to be in my videos, so then it'll be a bit easier if I lived on my own, and Martin does YouTube, so it's kind of like it's a win-win situation if I want to do a day in life, because he's more than happy to be in the video. So yeah, and also also from losing weight and stuff like that, work's been just business as usual, been fine, and that's me only plus of 2020. And also I haven't got taxis everywhere, because this is something when I was bigger I used to get taxis everywhere, so the money I've saved in taxis I was able to give myself a new wardrobe full of clothes that actually fit, rather than rocking her out being a size 8 and a size 20 dress. So yeah, but I also thought I would show you a couple of things that I've loved this year. A couple of them are new purchases, and some of them I've had for a while, so I thought I'd get on with beauty products. Only one, and this is the Milk Hydro Grip primer. This primer is unbelievable. If you haven't already checked it out, like bought it, and or even I think you can get samples of it, but I would just buy the whole thing, because I think it's around about 20 to in the 20 to 30 pound mark. And I got this from Cult Beauty in the UK, and it's just the best primer ever. I've seen the TikToker Michaela use it, and as you know, the TikToker Michaela, she's just unbelievable. I think she's from New York, isn't she? Like, I think her accent is, but her accent's just like unbelievable. I love it, it's great. But she recommended it because it's a hydro grip, it's a grip and primer. So like that's what you want from a primer, because when you put foundation on top of it, you want it to stick, and like the sounds just doesn't clag onto it, something to clag onto. So that highly recommend that. I'm wearing it today, and it hasn't broke us out once, so great thing. So the next thing is music. People obviously you don't know it yet, but I am a massive music lover. I don't go a day without listening to music, and I listen to all types of genre. Mainly like me rock and heavy metal I tend to stay around, but when I do dabble in like other stuff like pop punk and stuff like that, then I've got a few favourites in that arena. But this is a new album that's come out recently, and I can't get enough of it. This has made my year. This has topped it off. I've bought it, I've got it in 2 formats. I've got it in CD signed for Christmas off my mum, which I know I always get it because I ask for it, as well as a t-shirt by him as well. And then also I picked up the vinyl because I just thought the artwork on the front of the vinyl was insane. And this is Weird by Youngblood. What an amazing artist, what an amazing artist. I swear to God, if you haven't listened to this man, he is absolutely insane. I love what he stands for, I love the person that he is, and I love that he just doesn't give a flying monkeys. He's him, and he just rocks it, and he's just such a nice guy. Like, obviously I've met him, but like from interviews and stuff, he's such a nice guy. And like, he's been doing videos with his TikToker, I think she's a YouTube as well, but just on Instagram, called Abby. And like, I ship them. They should just like get together because they're amazing together. But no, this album, unreal. You might have heard like the likes of like Cotton Candy and his new single Mars as well, but he's just unbelievable. Like, I'm sorry, but the front, it just shows you wear whatever you want to be, identify as whatever you want to be, in your sexuality, be whatever you want to be, if you know what I mean. Like, no fucks given with them, and I think that's the best way to be. No fucks, don't be you. If people don't like it, then I swear, like, nobody likes it, then they need to go and realise that their life mustn't be that important if they care about yours. So yeah, but no, this is just the, I think this is a like special edition one. I got it for HMV, but this is just, this is weird, and it's got all the lyrics and the song titles on it, and then it's just black with green centre. And literally my favourite songs from this album, I love Teresa, I can't sing, but like, there's a clip for you. Cotton Candy, obviously. Mars, the video, go and check the video out, it's unreal. I also like Charity. Oh, it doesn't have a lyrics, I thought it did, but it's not. It's just who's written and like produced it. So Charity's good. Charity reminds us of I think it's The Streets, like that vibe. I get that vibe from him. And then yeah, and I love Song as well. And also The Freak Show is good. I'm part of a group on Facebook called the Youngbloods fans or something, can't remember what the name is, but the people on there are amazing. He's got some good hardcore fans. Like, I've seen somebody get a tattoo of his portrait and it is unreal. But yeah, that is the second item. And the third and final item is something I've picked up recently. Sorry, bend down. Something I've picked up recently, and these are from TK Maxx, my new favourite shop. Absolutely adore TK Maxx. You can go in, right? You can go in, look for the yellow tag. That's the best thing. Yellow tag is like when it's been reduced. And I got a dress that'll be coming up in a haul. I got a dress that is like unbelievable. Like, it was £115 originally, got it for £6. £6, and I think it was like, because it's an American brand. But I got these, so these went in the clearance, but these were £24.99. I seen these. I went to 3 TK Maxx's and it was only in one, and I posted these on Instagram, and a couple of people messages where they're from, and I said TK Maxx, and one girl, she's another YouTuber called Luna Lily, and I'll link her down below, and she messaged and was like, where'd you get them from? And I was like, TK Maxx, and she went straight to TK Maxx and she managed to get them. But these are these studded spiked cowboy boots with a little heel. These are size 5 and I'm actually size 6, so they do run slightly bigger, so I would highly recommend getting them if you see them. But they're so extra. My mum doesn't like them because they're just a bit extra, and they're not like not plain, but my mum's not really a rocky type person, but I am. But somebody said they are cowboy boots of dreams, and I agree with them. That's what they are, and I think they are lovely. They've just a pointed toe, and that's all the issue with TK Maxx right on the bottom, and it spoils it a bit. But yeah, these are insane. I think they only had size 3s and 5s, or 4s and 5s in the store. They were the only pairs they had in the shop I went into. So yeah, they are insane. But no, I just want to say thanks for all the support so far. Thanks for all the likes, thanks for all the comments, thanks for just like sticking with us. And yeah, Sorry about a little break in between, but I'm back. I've got a lot of hauls coming. Just with me doing all my Christmas shopping early and obviously not getting taxes everywhere, I've got a lot of spare money. I should really be saving, but I thought this year has been shit, so I'm going to treat myself. So I've got a Primark haul, a New Look haul. I've got another haul as well, I can't remember. Primark, New Look, and a Collective haul, and also a Beauty Bay haul. I did a mini Beauty Bay order as well, so yeah. I just want to say thanks for watching, and hope these weren't too annoying during the whole video. Try to get them on the screen, but half of them are cut out, so but no, I just want to say thanks for watching and thanks for being you. So yeah, thanks everyone.